12th of November. I've got my new barrow which has been put to good use, and behind it the incinerator, which I dare say I'll get used shortly. I've weeded out this fruit cage. I think that's blueberry, but I'm not 100% sure. And there's another one behind these few raspberries. The only other thing in here is raspberries and strawberries, I believe. But that's all cleaned out now. Still got some work to do on these bays, but I've started the first compost heap. It's about half full. Looks as though it might need some work doing at some stage. These have all been, the main plots have all been strimmed and had a topping of manure. The thornless blackberry I pruned right down, and I brought down my Timperley early rhubarb that I grown from last season just in a pot, and then I noticed that the rhubarb that is here is also Timperley early, so that's really good. I'm going to have to do something with this compost. I believe it's compost, but there's a wasp nest in there at the moment, so I'm leaving that. As I said, this has become a dumping ground for all the bits and bobs that was all over the place. This is the second plot that's also been strimmed and manured. And I've started covering the manure with some cardboard. I've got lots more cardboard to go down here. And then that'll be, all of these plots will be topped off with green waste compost that I'll buy in. This is just still covered, this main plot, which is definitely where I'm going to have a polytunnel. I've done around this back edge because for around a metre around the periphery of it we'll need a path, because I need room to work all around the polytunnel. Now I've marked out the position of the polytunnel, and it's where this red marker is here. This is one corner, and I'll continue up to the fence, but a metre away from the fence. And here's the other marker, which is a metre away from this fence, so it will go in that area. I've taken away the structure that I thought was just squashing here. It's actually underneath. There is some raspberries, which I'm going to have to dig out because they'll be right on the entrance to the polytunnel. And on this area I'll do a sort of a slanting path here to come from the shed up past the pond to the front of the polytunnel. I weeded all the paths, and this still needs some work doing. I'll see on Monday if there's any manure left. I don't want to take more than my fair share, even though this previous plot holder hadn't taken any for a while, and the plots are slightly sunken below the level of the paths, so they do need bulking out, but I'll try and get to that. I took out all the saplings that were in here, and there were a heck of a lot of them. That's about it. Had a clean up here around the pond-ish. It still needs work doing to it, obviously. I'm glad that the bracken is in a pot, because I know what a nightmare that can become if it's left to get on with itself. Still haven't identified what this is. Let me have a look, and maybe I'll be able to check it out online what it is. Got some Swedes out, thank you, John. And I don't know, is that a little vinca in the pot? No idea. Anyway, that's the state of play for today.